Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be unboxing the boAt Stone Grenade wireless speaker. The device comes in this really compact box, as you can see over here. It is a 5-watt mono speaker that has IPX6 water and shock resistant certification, a rugged design with enhanced connectivity through Bluetooth 5.0, integrated multifunction control as well. The 1200 mAh lithium polymer battery offers up to 7 hours of non-stop playback, and the device is aux and micro SD compatible as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And there you have the speaker. Apart from that, in the box, you also get the boAt warranty card. We have the user manual for the wireless speaker explaining functionality and the specifications. You also have the boAt product catalog. And in terms of accessories, it comes with the micro USB charging cable that you can see over here, as well as a 3.5 mm audio cable, as you can see over here. The speaker itself comes in this compact design. You have inbuilt functionality through these power buttons over here. You have the power, the next track, play, pause, volume up, volume down functionality. There is this strap that's attached to the top of the speaker for easy portability. And at the bottom, you have this plate protected by this panel, which if you remove, you can see support for an SD card, aux connection, as well as the connection port for the micro USB. And there you have the boAt Stone Grenade wireless speaker. Thank you for watching.